Taking the stand for the last time. Today, Ryan Giggs faced questions about a statement he'd given to police after allegedly headbutting his ex-girlfriend in November 2020. The prosecution asked why he'd said he was going to call 999 that evening. The former Manchester United player admitted he had no intention of calling the police and said he didn't know why he'd put that in his statement. Peter Wright QC argued it was because Giggs wanted to create a narrative that he'd been attacked, not his former partner, Kate Greville. No, was Giggs' answer to that. The police were called to Giggs' house that night by Greville's sister. When they arrived, Giggs told them that he'd hit his ex-girlfriend in the lip. The prosecution asked why he hadn't explained that it was an accident, claiming it was because Giggs had assaulted her. But the defence showed police body cam footage that appeared to show the officer interrupting Giggs mid-speech. Giggs also denies charges of controlling and coercive behaviour against his former partner. He's claimed it was actually Greville who tried to control the relationship. The defence read out these messages between the couple in court, which mentioned stalking. Giggs said checking up on each other online was common in their relationship. In October 2017, Giggs asked Greville, "Is your mum going to stalk me now like her daughter does?" She replied, "She better not." In another exchange of messages 2 years later, Kate Greville asked Ryan Giggs, "Who are you talking to?" He responded, "Huh?" To which she replied, "You were online before and I was stalking you, and then just checking who you were talking to." The court also heard a love poem from Giggs to Greville, in which he'd written, "That stomach, those abs, those pictures you send so I can keep tabs." More of their communications will be read to the jury, who are expected to be dismissed next week. They'll have to judge not only Ryan Giggs' behaviour on one night 2 years ago, but during his relationship with a woman who says she became a slave to his every need and demand. He denies all the charges. Becky Cottrell, Sky News, Manchester Crown Court.